Good evening, everyone. It's Richmond Ding here. Look, not many people know this about me, and you're going to be quite surprised to hear this as well. But one of my greatest fears, the one thing that scares me more than anything else in this world, is public speaking. And I know I've done many Facebook Lives before, and I've spoken on stage to over 100 people. And this may be hard for you to believe, but the truth is, every single time before I speak, before I get on stage, I get really, really nervous. In fact, it's one of those things that scares me the most. And the truth is, I read this great book called Feel the Fear and Do It Anyway. And that's what I do. I feel the fear and do it anyway. And a lot of people tell me, oh, but Richmond, you're such an easy for you because you're naturally talented at talking in front of people. You're naturally gifted at doing this. This is something that you were born with. And I'm here to say that's complete bullshit. There's no one in this world that's naturally born with the ability to speak in public. You see, the truth is, people briefly get rewarded in public for what they spend years in practicing in private. And I've spent many hours and hours and hours doing what I do to get to the point where I am today. I'm not saying I'm an amazing speaker. I'm not saying that at all. All I'm trying to say is that, but what I've done can be learned. And I'm not any more special than anyone else. I was not born with any more ability than anyone else. You see, one of the things I realized and I've learned that holds people back more than anything, one of the things that stops people from taking action is that they have this belief that everything must be perfect, that everything must be right before I can move forward. This belief that I must have 100% conviction, 100% confidence first before I can move forward. That belief is bullshit. And if part of you thinks that's true, here's my coaching for you. Fear is all part of the game. It always has been. It always will be. So just feel the fear, embrace it. Just do it anyway. Look behind me. You're going to see the stage where I'm going to be doing my very first seminar, my very first workshop in 2 days' time this Saturday, where initially I thought there was going to be about 8 people there, but it turns out there'll be about 30 people. And I'm going to get nervous? Yes. Am I going to get fearful right before I speak? Yes. But you know what? I'm going to do it anyway. I'm going to stand there, I'm going to deliver, I'm going to give everything that I have to these people that have given their time 2 or 3 hours to be with me. I do not take that lightly. I'm going to give them everything that I have. And it's going to be really cool. I'll be sharing with these people here about the success cycle, why the rich get richer, how you can plug yourself into that cycle. I'll be sharing with them cool learnings I learned from Arnold Schwarzenegger when I was at us a couple of months ago. And I'll be giving away a lucky door prize where one person is going to get a live coaching session with me on stage. I'm going to transform them. It's going to be cool for them, but it's going to be cool for the audience as well because they're going to see this person transform. Pressure's on me, but I'm confident I can deliver. If you want to come, it's free. It's open to anyone who wants to come. It could easily fit another 10 people. I post a link up after this to see if you can get there. If you can't make it, come anyway. If you can, that'll be great. Hope to see you there. Once again, Richmond Ding here. Feel the fear, do it anyway. Bye for now. Have a great night.